Hi everyone, this is Mr. No. In this video, I will show you how you can link your Aadhaar card with your vehicle's RC and also your driving license with your vehicle. So now for this, you need to come to this website. It's called as parivahan.gov.in. So after coming to the website, you will see this a pop-up which is Vahan and Sarathi. So these are the two portals that is there. So you can scan or click to update your mobile number in these two portal. So now why is Aadhaar linking important with your RC number? Because in some states like Kerala, Bihar, they have started implementing the digital linking of RC with Aadhaar. So in that case, if you want to get your pollution certificate done, so now you will get an OTP in your mobile number that is linked with the RC. So for that, you will have to link your RC with the Aadhaar. So that way, only the owner will be able to do the pollution. So this will help avoid misuse. So this has been already been rolled out in some of the cities. So it is already there in Kerala. So it is there in Bihar also is what I understand. So now it is very easy to do that. So what you need to do is you can come to this Vahan portal. Here you can put your vehicle registration number. So this you can easily get from your number plate of your vehicle, or you can get it from your RC. So the chassis number, so this is the chassis number of your vehicle. This also you can again get from your RC very easily. Engine number is also there in RC. So registration date is the date on which your RC was registered. That also you'll get it from the RC. This is the registration fitness valid up to date. So this also is information is available in the RC. So now once you fill all this information here, in the next page, I'm not filling it here because I already linked it. So once you fill this information here, in the next page, it will ask you to fill your Aadhaar number and update your mobile number. So that way, it will ask you to authenticate using your Aadhaar, which is self-explanatory. So using that, you can link your RC with Aadhaar card and with that updated mobile number very easily. So now again, this again is Vahan. So if you go to this website, it will take you to, this is Sarathi and this is Vahan. So this is in the Sarathi, you can link your driving license. So as you can see here, you can enter your driving license. This is the date of birth, driving license holder's last transaction state. You can put the captcha number and then you can link it with your Aadhaar card. So this is also important. So you can do these two things in under 5 minutes. So I hope this information is useful. Thank you very much.